Water, the essential element in women's daily lives. Water, the elixir of life, is a driving force in women's everyday routines. It's not just a source of hydration, but a lifeline. Consider the simple morning ritual of making coffee. The water transforms the coffee powder, kickstarting our day with a burst of energy. In household chores, water is our silent partner. We use it to wash, clean, and cook, creating a healthy environment for our families. Beyond practicality, water serves as a source of relaxation. The comforting warmth of a bath or the tranquility of a swimming session. But water's influence isn't just physical. It's symbolic, too. It represents balance, adaptability, and renewal, qualities that resonate with women worldwide. So, let's appreciate water's role in our lives, not just as a resource, but as a partner in our daily journey.